It's my first time to be in Uganda, Kampala. So far, so good. I've been exploring Uganda, Kampala city. I tried a lot of traditional local food of Uganda, but so far I did not yet experience the culture, guys. I mean the traditional and the performance of Uganda. So I thought by coming here, guys, maybe it will be a great opportunity.